If anybody's doing a brake job without using this, that's a problem, because it means they're putting their back at risk. In all honesty, every shop should have this.
I looked at it, and I'm looking at this contraption, and I see all these movable parts, and after I saw the demo, it was a no-brainer to go buy this tool.
How did we do it before? We grow.
That hoist there, all it was a stand, and the mechanics would make up a plate that would clamp onto it and go and clamp onto the disc, but then the opportunity of that plate falling off that hoist was huge, so we decided we can't do that anymore. So we end up outsourcing all our disc brake work, and outsourcing disc brake work costs you a lot of money, so we figured we'd buy the proper tool to do it, we don't have to outsource it, and that'll pay for the tool. So probably within 6 months of doing brake work.
Wasn't skeptical that it wouldn't work, just how awkward it was going to be to work. Because most things when they're this size, it's more awkward to use it than just to do it by hand. The way everything is set up on it, it's child's play to use.
It's the safety of my employees. It's all about doing a job and going home safe.